Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I am continuing to sort things. And here is something I've had for a while, indeed. It is Gobbler, the original sort of butchered packaging. And the cartridge made by Mr. Computer Products. There it is. Here, you can get a closer look. I have not had this in for a very long time. And I don't think I will at this moment. But I have the original packaging, which is incredibly butchered. Incredibly. And I have a disc case thing here, which, oh my, that's not healthy. That disc is bent and twisted. What's on it? I don't know. Can I untwist it? Can I get a look? I don't know. It's pretty mangled. But anyway, this disc box here, let's see what's all in here. Besides many dividers. Oh, don't slide discs. Ooh, look, this disc from Tandy, TRS-80, micro computer system. Ooh, what is this? Oh, anyway, this disc case thing is broken. Oh, looky. Is this the piece that's broken? I got it upside down. I do. Oh, interesting. Ah, it could possibly, maybe. Man, it's a tight squeeze. I don't know how it broke, but it is the piece that's missing. Suppose I used the other glue I had. Oh yeah. If I could get this in there just so and hit it with some glue, it would be back in the game. Alright, well that is interesting to know. I will set this part down here and we'll see what I can do about that. Now this part, the bottom part, it's quite dandy. And it's got all these separators. Do they actually fit? Oh, they do. Isn't it beautiful? Well, sort of. There. So this maybe will become something helpful in the sorting of the discs. Because, well, I have lots, and it would be handy to have something like this that I created and had handy so that I could know where things were better. I think. Ooh. Okay, so maybe there's. Ooh, okay, mama. There we go. Maybe there's some of these missing, but you know, maybe not. Anyway, let's just look at these discs. Oh, what else is here? There's other stuff here. Right? What is this? Oh. Well, This is interesting. It's a Christmas adventure. And it's on a disc. X version 2.5 for 64. Look, get that in the light right. There we go. It's a Christmas adventure. It is Christmas Eve. The clock strikes 11 at Santa's ice castle in the North Pole. In his office, a message flashes across his computer screen. Santa has disappeared. Rudolph is missing. There will be no gifts delivered this year, unless someone can solve the mystery of Santa's disappearance. The same? What is this? Well, this looks the same. It's just the thing is turned backwards, or not turned backwards, and they are sealed. Interesting. I have never seen these before, but yes, I guess I've had them. M-Truck. Not the railroad. What is this? Owner's Guide. What is this for? Congratulations on the purchase of your new Amtrak trackball from Microspeed. Uh-huh. Interesting. Well, I think I will take this and put it in the other room, where the Amiga lingers. And I really do need... You know what? I'm going to put these in the top of that disc case. And then I'm going to have a look at these. See what's what here. Commodore disk user. Interesting. That's a wrapped up disc. I've never seen this before, but yet I've had it, obviously. Oh, wait. Looky. It's two more separators. How beautiful. So here we have a disc. Here we have a warped, mangled disc. Is there anything on it? Who knows? Ice pick. Don't know what that is. Ice pick. Don't know what that is. Maybe it's a club. I don't know. Maybe I should have a look. Paperclip C. 4040 format. What do we have here? T-Pug magazine. Huh. Interesting. Oh, check that out. Check all these out. What is this? CDS software. Colossus for chess. Ta-da. CDS Microsystems Colossus Chess 4.0. Much, well, it's similar to the other one. There's a bunch of chess things here. Colossus Chess. Calc 64, Plot 64. 1571 test demo disc. Ta-da! That's all handy. Have to see if that's what's really on it. Something called Ace. Other ice pick disc. Oh, here's something. It's got a whole thing, but there's nothing in it. Maybe that's the disc that was warped, but I think it was in a case. Commodore disk user. Disk toolbox. Relocator. Planet finder. Message constructor. Peggy 128 3D breaker. Software worth at least 30 pounds. Not to be sold separately. Interesting. I wonder what this T-Pug magazine thing is. Or maybe it was just somebody wrote on. I remember the T-Pug magazine. Anyway, a strange assortment of discs. Am I going to look through them now at this moment? No. Am I going to make use of this disc thing? Yes, I think I will. Oh. Alright, that went in okay. There. So now, these here are the discs that I have been using. And this is another one. I should check it over. Check it out. I should. Yeah, that's the mouse balls. I think I know what that is. I think. Anyway, a bunch of interesting things here. And now, just because I can and such, I think I will put some of these. I'm just looking for all the chess things. Yes. Alright. You know what? Because I have all these here, I think I will put this there. And some of these other things, these miscellaneous strange things, I will sort the ice pick thing. I shall. All right. Put all this there. This thing, I'm intrigued by this. It's never been opened. Does it work? I don't know. Maybe. Put it in the front here to be checked out. And Gobbler. I'm gonna have to start more boxes and things here. Now, of course, the nice thing about this is it holds lots of discs. But of course, it kind of, butters things up. Or, I need to sort things so I can have things sitting without things being cluttered. And there's a little kind of an end table over here. And on it, I have some supplies that may or may not be needed here. Once again, it's all about organization. It is. So I think I'll shuffle a few things here, including but not limited to Unopened, which is a good thing. But I don't want it to be gone. So I think what I'm going to do is these discs that I need, and I need them at times to be handy. Ooh, I'm almost knocking something down here. Don't do that. I'm going to slide these over here. Here is a bottle of Kahlua, but it is empty. I find it Kahlua at sometimes. My grandfather used to say he would not use alcohol except for medicinal purposes, which means medicine. And there are times when I've had throat issues when Kahlua can be helpful. Kind of like cough medicine. But this is empty, so it can go. Now, what will I do? Will I recycle it? No. There's a little old lady who lives in a building, the same building that my mother lives on, and a lot of people there donate their liquor bottles because there's a return on liquor bottles, and it helps her get and pay for some of the medicine she needs. So I will add that. I don't have a whole bunch. I only get them here and there and now and again, but I will add that to the very few that I have, and I will pass them along to my mother so they can go into that same bin to help this little old lady with her medicine. And that is what I will do. So, yeah. Oh, this drive worked out fine. I ran it through 50 times. If you look, there will be a time lapse of it running through 50 times. So, another good disk drive. Yeehaw. I'm surrounded by good disk drives. But it's good, unlike Rudy from Rudy's Retro Intel, who one day was so pleased when he got a Super Pet that was broken. So pleased. And in the end, it was good that it was broken, because that meant that he could go through and figure out what was wrong and write a manual, which there's no real manual to help people with Super Pet troubles and da 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 da. So in the end, it was good, but it was months of torment. Months of torment. Anyway, I shall continue. And who knows, maybe I'll grab one of those discs there. Maybe that one that's never been opened. No, not the game thing, but the disc thing. And I'll look at that and see what might be interesting on there. Maybe. If the disc works, of course. Anyway, thanks for coming. See you again back in the TV room. Bye for now.